guys, welcome back to the vlog, man. Alright, so we've been home already. This is the second week in home. We haven't gone out for park walks or anything like that because it's very dangerous, man. I see a lot of people that are not taking things serious, and I think this situation is very serious at this moment, so people really need to stay home. If you don't have to go out, don't go out. You know what I mean? If you have a little backyard in your house, then chill over there, but don't go up parks, don't go up, around like nothing is going on. But things are just getting worse, guys. I'm sorry to say this, but things are getting very difficult and very worse nowadays. So anyways, welcome back to the vlog, guys. Today we're gonna be doing something on the car as well. You guys already know that. So today what's gonna be is the side skirts over the car. Now I didn't buy them original for the car or anything like that. What I did was I went to Home Depot and I got myself 2 pairs of rain guarders. So we're gonna be building those side skirts of rain guarders. So if you guys don't know about that, I think it's the cheapest way to go and do the side skirt for your car. I only spent like around $7 or $10, I think. They are 10 foot by 2.5 inches, I guess. As a matter of fact, I do have them in here because it's been raining and I haven't got any time. Yeah, the only problem is they didn't have the solid ones, so like all plain white, so it comes with this. But it's whatever. So we're gonna be installing that for the car, for the side skirts. And yep, we got some rust in there, but like I said, it's okay. So for the hoopty, and guys, so yeah, let's get to work because it's kind of cold. It is kind of cold today, so I thought it was gonna be better. The 3 past days we've been inside the house. We haven't been outside, not even for a minute, because it's been raining and it's been cold. And today is cold, yes, but it's not raining, so at least we have a chance to be working on this, to put side skirts on the Corolla. And I'm not gonna be doing too much talking, so let's just jump in and start doing this because I am not planning to stay outside for too long because it's very cold. All right, I found all I need. It's a marker and a tape because we're gonna have to measure and see how big we want them and how big do you need them. All right, so let me start on this side and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna set you guys up here so you guys can see how I do and how I measure it. Now we're gonna measure from here because I want to put it from this side where with this fender finished. So right over here. Alright, and to do that, we're gonna do something like this. Okay, we need it exactly 66. Alright, so we're gonna need 66 exact. It is cold. It's very cold. Doesn't have to be pure or anything. It's gonna be something like this, I guess. So let's get it in here. I suppose that I could. Yeah. You know what? Believe it or not, I think. Yeah, I'll probably just leave it like that, straight. Yeah. I'll just leave it like that. All I have to do is make a perfect cut. Just make it really nice and straight, and I think I wouldn't have. If I do it perfectly nice and straight, I'm not gonna have any problems. I don't think it looks bad. I'm gonna just put it with masking tape. I'm gonna put some tape and kind of see where exactly it's gonna be. So I decide going this way instead, like that. Then this way. I think I'm gonna do it this way better. I wanna do it this way. So I could put, screws are gonna be from the bottom up, you know. So let me just put a few pieces of tapes on this thing. Set it up there. Para que se neta. Right now. So yeah, it's gonna be something like that. I'll probably be here like after. I don't think those guys are gonna show because once I get the screws out, that's gonna tight. And if it shows, I think paint that or black, it's gonna look fine. Same thing, if I don't like it, take it off. Just like that, the back is done. Alright guys, so we have one side done. Right now what I'll do, I'll bring the car outside and then turn it around again so I can continue working on this side, because if I continue working on that side how it is, the car sits lower from this side, and then from this side it's more upward to that side. So what I'll do, I'll set you guys over there and then I'll turn it on and then turn around and come back here. So as always, never disappoints me. It starts like a glove all the time. So we're gonna be working. So we're gonna start working on this side now. Let me show you real quick the other side. Oh, damn! It's a little bit curved in there, but it's whatever, man. Come on, this is a DIY. This is a Home Depot special. Alright, so one thing real quick, the process on this side is gonna be the same thing as we did on the left side. It's gonna be the same thing on the right side. So I'm just gonna show you guys after I finish everything and see how it comes out. It doesn't have to be professional, but I think it's gonna look decent. Alright. Oh, it's nice and tight. Gonna bring it down.
That you could handle a situation.